Academy.
A wool factory is a manufacturing facility dedicated to processing raw wool into finished wool products such as yarn, fabrics, and textiles. These factories play a crucial role in the textile industry by transforming raw wool fibers obtained from sheep into usable materials for clothing, upholstery, and other applications. Key processes in a wool factory. 1. Shearing, the process of removing wool from sheep, typically done once a year. 2. Sorting and grading, wool is sorted based on quality, fiber length, and cleanliness. 3. Scouring, cleaning the raw wool to remove dirt, grease, lanolin, and vegetable matter. 4. Carding, detangling and aligning fibers to prepare for spinning. 5. Spinning, twisting fibers into yarn. 6. Dyeing, coloring the yarn or fabric using various dyeing techniques. 7. Weaving or knitting, producing fabric from yarn. 8. Finishing, final treatment to improve appearance, texture, and durability. Types of wool products. Yarn for knitting and weaving. Wool fabrics such as tweed, flannel, or worsted. Felted wool items. Wool insulation materials. Environmental and ethical considerations. Many wool factories now focus on sustainable practices, including responsible sourcing of wool, reducing chemical use during processing, and implementing eco-friendly waste management.
Ank Academy. Please subscribe, like and share.